Are you craving a homemade gelato and you're in Las Vegas? Hi, I'm Christine and welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you to Freddo here in Southwest Las Vegas. They have authentic homemade Italian gelato and they have different flavors. They also serve Italian coffee and gelato bars. They have so much flavors to choose from and you can try them before you even order.
Okay, so I'm going to do the Freddo Gelato and the from there. That'll be how many cherries?
Wow, this is really good. How about this one? I just want to try that.
So that'll be white chocolate. Yeah. So white chocolate based gelato, and then it has mixed berry sauce, chocolate chips.
I like it too, but I like this one better.
Yeah.
I like this one. So can I have the regular?
Okay.
Just one scoop.
So apparently the regular size comes in 2 scoops, so you can get 2 different flavors.
This will have raspberry swirls.
That has raspberry swirls. That's good. What is gelato? What is that? What is
So
that?
it's still a traditional gelato, extra creamy vanilla and chocolate shavings.
Next time I'll just bring my... What is the yellow one? Wait, I'll try this one too.
Well, obviously I can't stop eating it, will love it, and thank you guys for watching. Leave me a comment, bye, and don't forget to subscribe.